How's it going, and welcome back to the channel, where today we are in the Cotswolds. We've gone to Sudeley Castle, staying in the Sudeley Castle cottages, which is about a 5-10 minute walk away from the castle, and I'll show you around the area where I was brought up. We're here for Beth's mum's birthday. We're staying at the Lord High Admiral Cottage, which is really nice. I'll show you a quick room tour now. We'll be staying here for 3 nights, got a few other activities planned, going into Winchcombe tonight for a meal, and then we're also going to Cheltenham on one of the days, and I've got my park run tomorrow morning as well, so there's lots to do and lots to show you as well. But we're going out to Winchcombe for a meal to the White Hart, so I'll show you some of the food we're having there. We had a really nice meal in Winchcombe at the White Hart. I had a baked camembert with sort of like a warm garlic bread, which was really nice. And then we also had some hummus for starters. And then after that, we had a burger. It was a Moving Mountain burger with cheddar cheese and then some chips as well. That was very nice. Then my girlfriend's mum opened a few presents. We had a nice little chat about a few things. And now I'm off to bed because I've got the park run in the morning. So nice and early one. Got to be up for sort of 8:15 to get there for 9, and then hopefully we'll get a decent time. Good morning, it's day 2 in Sudeley Castle. I woke up early this morning to do my park run at Cheltenham, so that was good fun. Managed to get a time of 23 minutes, and I think it was like 51 seconds or something like that. But I'll post that there, and you can have a look quickly at what the run was like. Quite a difficult run today actually. I had to stop at one point as well and walk when we were going up the hill. So that's the first time I've had to do that. And then there was probably about 3 or 4 hills in total that you had to go up and then straight back down. And then the finish line was also on a slope, which wasn't ideal because you're knackered by then. But the plan for now is we're going to go up to Sudeley Castle, which is probably about a 10-minute walk down the street. And then we don't know where we're going to go for lunch. Either Bourton on the Water or Broadway, still not decided yet. But it sounds like a nice day. And we are back. We had a really nice day today. In the evening when we went to Broadway, we just walked around the shops, had a look in a few shops, got some nice food as well. And then we headed back and went to the Rising Sun, which is just outside of Winchcombe, for a meal. And that was really nice as well. Really good views. Broadway, you can actually play on Forza, which I didn't know until a few weeks ago when my brother showed me. You can actually drive around Broadway on Forza. So if you have got Forza, I think it's Forza Horizon, give it a go and go and drive around it on there. Then when we got back, we watched the men's 4x100 relay and the women's 4x100. So well done to America for winning both of those. And now we are off to bed. And then tomorrow, I think we're going to a farm park. And then after that, we're off to Bourton on the water. So we've got a few more activities going on tomorrow. Hope you all enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Sunday in the Cotswolds and we are off to Bourton on the water to begin with. We're going to do a little bit of shopping, going to grab some lunch there because it's quite a nice little Cotswold village, and then we're going to go to the farm park, I think it's Cotswold Farm Park, where we'll see some animals and yeah, should have some good videos.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Just got back from the farm park, had a really nice day. Initially went to Bourton on the water where we did a little bit of shopping. Then stopped off at a cafe, had a white hot chocolate, and then a brie and cranberry baguette, which was really nice as well. Then we made our way off to the farm park, and you'll see all the animals just in that vlog before. They were so cute, lots of small little baby animals as well, not just the adult ones. And now we're off into Cheltenham for our meal. We're off We're off to Brasserie Blanc, so that should be very nice, and hopefully, I think they've got a halloumi burger on their menu, so I'm hoping that's still on there, because that's what it says online, so I'm definitely going to go for that. Had a lovely meal at the Brasserie Blanc for starters. I had a bread with 3 different dips. It was a garlic aioli, which was really good. Very garlicky though, so it was scaring off all the vampires. Then I had the red pepper, it was sort of like a hummus, and that was very nice as well. And then the other dish was just oil and vinegar, which was very nice too. And then for mains, I had a halloumi burger, which was very tasty, and I had a gin and lemonade drink. So all in all, really good night. Came back, had some cake, had a little bit of Cotswold, it's like a Cotswold version of Bailey's, which was really nice. And now we're off to bed. Good morning, it's the final day in Winchcombe. We're going to have a look around Winchcombe for the first time since arriving, and then after that we're not sure whether we're going to go to Swindon Village yet to go shopping, but we'll decide that later. And we are home. So we had a really good time in Winchcombe, Broadway, went and saw the Cotswold Farm Park, and we also went to Bourton on the Water, so had a great time. And if you did enjoy this vlog, do make sure to check out one of my other vlogs, which is in Ibiza, which you can click on the video link just here, or you can also click on the link which is here, which is for the ski Athos holiday that I went on this year too. But if you did enjoy, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new, if you want to see some more vlogs like this. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.